DeepSeek AI, a Chinese-developed application, has taken the world by storm. This powerful AI tool has captivated users with its advanced capabilities. However, its rapid rise has sparked concern. Governments and experts grapple with its implications. Anxieties about data privacy and national security are at the heart of the matter. DeepSeek's journey began in May 2023. Its algorithms and interface attracted a global user base. Popularity has been shadowed by growing apprehension. Several countries have implemented bans or restrictions. The global response raises questions about balancing innovation and security. As DeepSeek evolves, the world watches closely. The debate highlights challenges at the intersection of technology, geopolitics, and privacy. Italy, known for its strong stance on data protection, was the first nation to raise a red flag against DeepSeek AI. Italian regulators blocked access to the app, citing concerns over user data. Their decision sent ripples through the global tech community. Taiwan followed, banning DeepSeek AI for government agencies and critical infrastructure. Citing national security risks, Taiwanese officials expressed concerns over data breaches and espionage. The proximity of these bans underscored the seriousness of the concerns. These actions set the stage for a global debate on DeepSeek AI. The momentum against DeepSeek AI continued to build as Australia joined the ranks of countries enacting restrictions. On February 4th, 2025, Australian Home Affairs Minister Tony Burke announced a ban on DeepSeek AI across all government devices, citing unacceptable risk as the primary justification. This decision further solidified the growing international consensus that DeepSeek AI posed a significant threat to national security. South Korea echoed these concerns, with the country's defense and unification ministries swiftly implementing bans on DeepSeek AI within their departments. The decision, driven by anxieties over data leaks and potential espionage, highlighted the widespread apprehension surrounding the Chinese-developed app. In the United States, Congressman Darin LaHood introduced the No DeepSeek on Government Devices Act, reflecting a growing bipartisan concern over the app's potential ties to the Chinese Communist Party. The proposed legislation aimed to prohibit the use of DeepSeek AI on all government-issued devices, underscoring the seriousness with which the US government viewed the potential risks. Section 4. Data under scrutiny, DeepSeek's practices and Chinese law. At the heart of the global backlash against DeepSeek AI lie concerns about its data handling practices. Critics point to the app's terms of service, which allow for the sharing of user data with third-party entities. This, coupled with the fact that Chinese companies are legally obligated to comply with government data requests, has fueled anxieties about the potential for surveillance and data breaches. Adding to the controversy, security researchers have uncovered vulnerabilities within DeepSeek AI's infrastructure. Reports of hard-coded encryption keys, unencrypted data transmission, and potential backdoors have raised serious red flags about the app's security protocols. Despite these concerns, China has vehemently defended DeepSeek AI, denying any accusations of illegal data collection or government-sanctioned espionage. Chinese officials maintain that the global backlash against the app is politically motivated, an attempt to stifle China's growing technological prowess. Section 5. A technological triumph or a Trojan horse. Balancing innovation and security. The emergence of DeepSeek AI presents a complex dilemma. It showcases rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. Its algorithms could revolutionize sectors like education, healthcare, and business. However, concerns about data practices and ties to the Chinese government persist. The app's rise has sparked a global debate on innovation versus security. Is DeepSeek AI a testament to China's prowess or a Trojan horse for geopolitical ambitions? One thing is certain, DeepSeek AI has altered the technological landscape. It forces us to confront trade-offs between innovation, privacy, and security. The decisions we make today will shape AI's future impact.